In this video, we will be comparing two of the hottest no-code platforms in 2025, Softr and Webflow. Which one should you use to build your website? Let's break it down. First up, Softr is an amazing website. Softr is amazing if you want to quickly create functional websites or apps by connecting your Airtable or Google Sheets data. It's super beginner friendly and comes with ready-made templates for things like job boards, marketplaces, membership sites, and internal tools. You don't need any design or coding skills, just drag and drop and configure. Plus it has built-in features like user authentication, payments, and content management. If your focus is on launching fast and managing data-driven apps, Softr shines. Now Webflow. Webflow is a whole different beast. It's more of a visual design and development platform that gives you total control over every detail. You basically design, custom code a website, but without writing code. Webflow is perfect for creative professionals, freelancers, and business that want pixel perfect layouts. So how do they compare? Softr is best if you want speed, simplicity, and data-driven apps with minimal design work. Webflow is your go-to if you want maximum design freedom, control, and scalability. In terms of pricing, Softr offers more affordable plans for small projects, while Webflow's pricing reflects on its advanced design capabilities. To wrap up, choose Softr if you want fast, no-fuss way to build web apps and websites connected to your data. Choose Webflow if you want a custom design heavy website that stands out. Make sure to subscribe and like for more reviews.